All right, here's the old catalytic converter. Two nuts to go here. This O2 sensor, it sits this way in the vehicle, so when you're looking up at it, you got those there's two nuts here, and that goes to a bracket that goes right here. You can undo the bolts on the bracket as well, take the bracket down if you need to get this thing out. There's plenty of room down there, it'll come out. You'll have the one gasket here, the ring gasket here. Once you take that off, you'll see that this is a tricky part right here is with this oxygen sensor. This is the upstream one. The way to get this one off is you'll see there's a little notch right here. So you'll actually reach up over, squeeze the top of the little clip, and then you'll be able to take it off. Now I got to undo these screws here, or these little bolts, to remove these heat shields. Then I can take out this oxygen sensor, replace it, and then put it all back together, and it should be pretty straightforward. Here's the new one. So I'll put my downstream O2 sensor there, the upstream one there, bolt it all back into place, should be good to go. Good luck.